reckon there's any scrap to be found. I think they were calling for snow flurries too. This is ridiculous. Racoon. I knew he was in there. Could hear him rolling around. How cool was that shot if you saw it? Asshole! Now this was supposed to be a dusting. Flurries. Nothing to even measure. Not the best weather, not the most conducive weather to scrapping. That's a lot of snow for a dusting. Well, I don't think this is technically stealing. Gonna happen. One more. It's killing me. Come on. I'm done. I'm done. Fuck me. Let's check another one. I'm gonna do a few of these dump apartments and then I'm gonna try to do a little street scrapping, hopefully. I really don't have a lot of room. Just trying to fill up the back end, maybe. Well, there's a box for a lawnmower. I doubt it's gonna have a lawnmower in it. Definitely take that. Nice big lamp. And chair. that just because they're in good shape. Don't know if I can sell them or not. What I'm trying to do, ow, God damn that trailer hitch. Every fucking time it gets me. Son of a bitch, that hurt. And it's too cold to be out here trying to dismantle shit. So, just do that. There'll be a cord there to take apart. I don't know. I don't know. Might be able to use that for something. Well, it looks like they've put a lot of washing machines or dryers in. For sure. But nothing but trash. Apartment complex over there, but don't know how to get over there. See, a cord could be something. Hyper tough. Apparently wasn't that tough. Trying to help them out. That's a big ass couch right there. I'm coming around to this complex because from the other complex I could look into the back side of this one. And over by the dumpster, I thought I saw like a metal headboard, brass colored. Could be either or, I guess. But we'll say this, I'm gonna find that fucking dumpster. Should be right next. If it's not this complex, then it's the one beside it. It just found the problem. I think the dumpster I saw was in this storage facility, which means I can't get in there. You know, unless I go in there and rent a storage building, and I ain't gonna fucking do that, so. It's gonna have to stay where it's at because I can't get to it. And it makes sense if somebody's got clean out a storage room, and they got shit in there they don't want, they're going to put it at the dumpster. So that explains it. And I just don't know where that's going to fit or how it's going to fit. I got a load already. That's a big sumbitch. It's not going to fit down in there at all. Very light too. And I hate to pass it up, but I really don't have much choice. Well, good news. Another scrapper will grab it, I'm sure. It's got room. And that's a good problem to have, not having the room. You know, if I come across a stove right now, bet your ass I'll find a way to get it up in there, but that little thing, and if I could fit it down the side, I would, but that'd have been something great to run along the in front of the back glass to help protect it. I'm gonna keep talking, talk myself into going and grabbing it and finding some place to put it, and I just don't have no place to put it. So I'm gonna quit talking about it, even though that'd be, could be used for a side. Okay, I gotta go. If I had room, yes. I don't have room. Take a couple of those. It's just the downside of not having room. That, but that might be worthwhile there for sure. All right, I just ran over a curb from hell just then. Didn't even see it. So the guy hits me. Then more cops show up, and then they tell me not to worry about it and don't record, which I'm not going to, but now they're bringing everybody in. And he told me to get the hell out of here, so I'm gonna get out of here. Takes a while. See what I'm doing now is what I've seen people do at the scrapyard is wait till you get there, then sort your shit. Sort it now. Sort it before you get there. I've got a aluminum that I'm gonna make a run with. I've got some rotors that I'm gonna make a run with. Wire. I want to get all that shit sorted out before I get there, so I don't have to mess with it then. Okay, so I've got rotors, aluminum, cart that I found that has come in handy for this kind of stuff. Which means I've still got to move this stuff around because I've got 3 water heaters. Still got some copper, and those brass valves got to come off. And I've got this load hog cart in here too. So this one is not that big a load. That one is definitely a bigger load. So we'll keep going. For whatever reason, old Blackie, she gets jealous when I drive red truck more. Keeps laying down on me. Apparently she doesn't realize she's an integral part of this operation. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's what the neighbor just gave me. That's a big ass piece of copper and some wire. It's nice to have neighbors that have, you know, copper wire. Well, back at the scrapyard, going inside, this is going to be the non-ferrous metal run, I'm guessing. And man, there ain't nobody here, all alone. So I can come through. I got shit sticking out the roof and the sides. Just don't know what's gonna hit and what ain't gonna hit. Stuff hit everywhere. What up, bub?
Hello, how are you?
You can go right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Do you want these rotors in here?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
How you doing today, man?
Good, man.
Enjoying this?
Enjoying it until the problem hits. It's coming, supposedly.
Right, that's just these couple teaser days.
Yeah.
25, 50, and then 10 inches on us. That all the rotors you
That's
got?
all the rotors.
Go ahead.
2 of those.
scrap hunting been coming, man?
It's going.
Everybody's been coming in saying it's slow, but then I see other guys coming in with tons
Man.
of stuff.
It's hit and miss. It really is. I got this. Copper. And that.
Brass.
And this is all brass.
Okay, give me 1 second. Chop that in. You can go ahead and sit the brass in.
We take it out of the bucket.
No, you're all good. I can dump it in.
And last wire.
Let me dump this out. Anywhere you want, yeah.
That's fine.
There's that bag.
Thank you. Copper. That's it.
There's that. I'll get your ticket.
Thank you, boss.
There you go.
Appreciate you, man.
Appreciate it. Have a great day.
Who day, buddy?
Hey, who day, man?
They're going.
Hey,
We're going.
I got them by 3 because I like McPherson.
Me too. See ya. In case you didn't know, the Bengals are going to the Super Bowl. So, you know, who day? It's something else too. I don't know how much it'll show up, but dumpster diving after dark and running into a raccoon. That raccoon scared the shit out of me. Do something interesting. You can tell they're not scrappers. They dropped all this stuff off and left the fucking cords on them. How about that? That was just a big U-Haul of washing machines. That's just a lot of damn cords, man. Every one of them has cords on them. Sad. Last run.
Good for you. Have it all done for this nasty weather. That's good, Jana.
She told me to say hi and make sure you stay safe.
Oh, bless her heart. She's the sweetest thing ever. You send it back.
I'll send it back to her. But I think you all saw all that shit that I had. So I'm gonna pull up here out of the way. And go over this. Like I said, I ain't done one of these in a while. And I complain about that too when I watch them. How much it weigh? All of this is the stuff I took inside. So the brass, which was the valves off the water heater, that paid $6.25. The rotors, I didn't have that many of them, paid $15.30. The copper number 2, and the biggest part of that was that big section the neighbor just handed me. That was $30. The electric motors, $3.96. I had 3 aluminum radiators that paid $9.20. The fins on an air conditioning unit that was aluminum and copper, that paid $10.15. The sheet aluminum, 3 big fluorescent lights I took out of a dumpster, that paid $10.40. I had 420 pounds of unclean sheet, and that's paying $150 a ton now. And then my number 2 insulated wire tub that I had, that paid $38.50. So grand total was $156.06. And put that with the 65 earlier that I couldn't film because my battery crapped out on me. And the second small load was 35, so round numbers, a little over $257 today. And I've got my truck cleaned out, and now it's time to go find more stuff and start it all over again. Asshole.